Hello and welcome. Today we're taking you inside the world of aggregates, cement, asphalt, and ready-mix concrete. Core materials that build the highways we drive on, the buildings we live in, and the cities we grow. This video is brought to you by ACM-ology, powered by the intelligence of ACM Locator, the leading platform for facility and market insights across the aggregate construction and building materials industry. We'll be highlighting the top 5 aggregate construction and building materials companies in North America: CRH, Vulcan Materials, Marietta, Holcim-AMRIZE, and Heidelberg Materials. Let's kick things off with the North American map, then dive into the numbers. Across the United States and into Canada, the Bahamas, Honduras, Jamaica, and more, these 5 industry leaders collectively operate more than 4,400 facilities, including quarries, terminals, asphalt plants, cement operations, and ready-mix concrete sites. Let's break it down, company by company. First up, CRH Americas Materials, the North American arm of global giant CRH plc. Operating in 48 U.S. states and 7 Canadian provinces, CRH is the largest company with a truly national and binational footprint. With over 750 aggregate sites, over 450 asphalt plants, over 60 cement sites, 190 plus manufactured and packaged product locations, and over 380 ready-mix concrete plants. CRH's strongest regions include Texas, Florida, Ohio, Colorado, Utah, and in Canada, Ontario. Next up, Vulcan Materials, the largest producer of construction aggregates in the U.S., based in Birmingham, Alabama. Vulcan operates over 600 locations across 22 U.S. states, Washington, D.C., and internationally in Canada, the Bahamas, Honduras, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. Vulcan's key strongholds include California, Texas, the southeastern U.S., and the eastern seaboard. Next on the list is Marietta, based in North Carolina, operating over 500 facilities across 28 U.S. states, Canada, the Bahamas, and the Caribbean. Marietta has over 380 aggregate sites, over 35 asphalt plants, 5 cement sites, and over 100 ready-mix concrete plants. Their key areas include California, Colorado, Iowa, Texas, and the South U.S. Next up, formerly Lafarge-Holcim, Holcim-AMRIZE is a cement powerhouse with deep roots in both the U.S. and Canada. With over 280 aggregate sites, 45 plus asphalt plants, over 170 cement locations, 14 plus manufactured and packaged product locations, and over 220 ready-mix concrete plants. Holcim-AMRIZE's top markets are Colorado, Louisiana, Illinois, Minnesota, Michigan, Texas, and in Canada, British Columbia, Ontario, Quebec, and Alberta. Rounding out the list is Heidelberg Materials, a sustainability-driven materials leader with operations in the U.S. and Canada. With over 260 aggregate sites, 40-plus asphalt plants, over 100 cement sites, 10-plus manufactured product locations, and over 160 ready-mix concrete plants. Heidelberg's key markets are New York, Pennsylvania, Texas, Georgia, and Canadian strongholds like British Columbia and Ontario. When we zoom into regional dynamics, in the West we see that Vulcan dominates California and CRH leads in Utah. Colorado is colored with CRH, Holcim-AMRIZE, and Marietta. The Midwest belongs to CRH and Heidelberg Materials. In the Northeast, Heidelberg is strongest in New York and Pennsylvania. In the Southeast region, Vulcan Materials, Marietta, and Heidelberg Materials all have top positions. The South is the most competitive region, with Texas as the ultimate battleground, with all of the top 5 players vying for strategic placement. Specifically for Canada, we see Holcim-AMRIZE being particularly strong in Ontario, as well as CRH. In British Columbia and Alberta, Holcim-AMRIZE is the strongest, followed by Heidelberg Materials coming in a close second. By product segment, CRH shines in aggregates and lead with asphalt and ready-mix concrete. Holcim-AMRIZE is the top cement player. Marietta and Vulcan shine in aggregates with strong ready-mix concrete follow-through. Heidelberg excels in cement-dominant markets and is strong in aggregates in certain regions. These 5 companies dominate the landscape of aggregates, asphalt, ready-mix, and cement production across North America, shaping the roads we travel, the skylines we admire, and the communities we live in. Want to see how your company stacks up or spot untapped opportunities in your region? Check out ACM-ology's ACM Locator. If you'd like us to take a deeper dive into any of these companies or a different region, drop your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more industry insights. Powered by ACM-ology, build your competitive advantage faster today with ACM Locator.